Good morning, everyone. It's a chilly morning here in the canyon, so I've got a bunch of layers on to help keep me from freezing to death. And this is a beautiful creek that I'm fishing. I've never fished it before, but it looks just perfect. Let's get the gear ready and hit the creek. Today I'm fishing with the Dragontail Mizuchi rod. Dragontail recently came out with a couple of softer sections for the middle of this rod. And I bought those and I've put them on here. Never fished with them before, so I'm excited. The Mizuchi is a great rod, but I have felt that it is a little bit stiff in the past for certain situations. And that can be good or bad. Like, I've caught 18-inch trout on the stiffer version of this rod, but for your run-of-the-mill stuff, it might be a little bit much. Also, this creek is bigger than I thought it would be. I could have gotten away with a bigger rod, but it is what it is. I'm fishing this rod at its longest length, which is about 11 feet. Hopefully we can hook into some fish here. Put the new rod, well, the new sections of the rod, to the test. I never felt that the Mizuchi didn't cast well, but the cast is a little bit nicer with these softer sections in there. I can tell already. I'll put a picture of the fly that I'm using. It's I don't remember exactly what it looks like. I took a picture of it. It's got a purple tinsel body, I think, with a grizzly hackle. Fish on. We're a few minutes in. First fish. This creek is supposed to have rainbow trout in it, so let's see if this is a rainbow trout. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, wait. No, it's a brown trout. What? Okay, I'll take it. It's about an 11-inch brown trout. That's awesome. That is a surprising catch for me in this creek. I didn't see anything online about there being brown trout in here. Awesome. See you, buddy. Oh, there we go. I could feel the difference, unless it was all in my mind, which, you know, it very might well be, but I think I could feel the difference in fighting that fish as far as the stiffness of the rod goes. Usually when I fish with the Mizuchi, I can just, you know, I can do whatever I want. It's a stiffer rod. I can just manhandle the fish toward me. With this one, with that fish in the current, you know, it was a little bit harder to get that fish to me. Not necessarily a bad thing, of course. There are just pros and cons to each stiffness of a rod. It's not easy going in this canyon. Lots of boulders to climb around and over. Yeah, you can see all the boulders in here. Pretty cool creek. Okay guys, I've been fishing down here for about half an hour, and the fishing isn't as good as I hoped it would be, as I want it to be. So I'm gonna crawl out of this canyon. It's pretty steep to get back to the car, but I hopefully will be able to make it. I'm gonna get out of here, drive farther upstream, see if I can't find another section with more fish in it, or at least more fish that I can catch. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, I'm about 6 miles upstream. Don't know if the fishing here is any good, but there's a pull-off on the road, like right by the creek here, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Probably means that this area gets fished a fair amount, but that's okay. And I put a 9-foot line on here because the creek is smaller here. And I'll put a picture of the fly that I'm using. It's a black and gold kebari. That's what was already on this line. When I parked over here, I came down and just kind of glanced at the creek, and I kind of assumed that because it was smaller, whoa, that a 9-foot line would be better, but this is open enough for an 11-foot line. Maybe I'll have to go back. 9 feet feels a little bit restricted, a little bit restrictive here. But I'm also lazy and I don't really want to have to change my line again. Fish on! Nice! It's a rainbow! Yes! Beautiful fish! Nice pink lateral line. Very bold spots, large spots. First rainbow of the day. Hopefully not the last. See ya, buddy. Excellent, excellent. That bodes well. I've been fishing for just you know, under 5 minutes, just a few minutes here. Oh, next cast. It's smaller, but it counts. See you, buddy. That was like a 7-incher. The previous one was probably 9 or 10 inches. Fish on. Yeah, that spot looked really good, so I'm glad there was a fish in there. And my line is stuck in the tree above me. And what we have here is another rainbow trout. See ya, buddy. Nice 8 or 9 incher. Fish on. Same pool as the last one, just different spot. Oh, come out of there. Where is it? I think he's still on. Yep. There we go. 6 or 7 incher. See ya, buddy. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome roadside fishing. I don't have a ton of time here today. I think I'll fish for about an hour. Let's see how many fish I can catch in that time. Anything at the back end of this pool? I don't think so. Oh, yes! Same pool again. Just again, a different part of it. Come on. Got him. See ya, buddy. Man, that is cold, cold, cold water. There's gotta be a fish over here. There we go. Took 2 casts. Got him. See ya, buddy. Let's see if there's anything hiding in this foam over here. Yes! Oh, came off. This is more along the lines of the size of creek that I like to fish. This feels more intimate than that lower section that I was fishing. I like this size. Fish on. Got him. See you, buddy. Nice golden colors on that one. Pretty fish. Fish on. Ooh, nice one, I think. Whoa! Got him. Almost fell face first into the water, but I didn't. Let's see, gotta reposition myself here. Yeah, nice, like 11-inch fish maybe. Let's see, 8 and 4. No, that's a 12-incher. Yeah, really nice fish. Out of this really cold water. Beautiful. Awesome creek, especially for being roadside. It's not like I had to hike in 20 miles into the backcountry to get here. So good. The Mizuchi is a great rod. It's a great all-around creek rod. Like, you could have this as your only rod and fish basically any creek that you see me fish on this channel. That's how useful it is to have a zoom rod for creek fishing. Once you get into river fishing, where the body of water is much bigger, the zoom rods become less interesting and less necessary, less useful. But for a creek, having the 2 or 3 different rod lengths in one is just awesome. Fish on. Only about 6 or 8 feet in front of me. Very nice. This is a dark rainbow. See ya, buddy. Nice dark coloration here. Got one. Fish on. Hello, hello, beautiful. Nice pink sides. See ya, buddy. Fish on. Oh, across the boulder. Nice. See ya, buddy. Oh, I saw a fish. Go for it. Come on. There we go. Not the same fish, but that's okay. Got him. Really nice. Look at that. Again, beautiful colors on the cheeks. Beautiful lateral line. Beautiful spots. Beautiful fish. Fish on. Is that a brown trout? Looks like a brown. Or is it? Nope, that's just, it's kind of a golden, buttery rainbow. People always say buttery brown. And this guy's kind of similar in coloration to a brown trout, just isn't a brown trout. Oh, fish on. I was getting ready to recast. Got him. Oh, fly just popped out. Another very colorful, very pretty fish. See you, buddy. Fish on. Once again, I wasn't really paying attention. I was looking upstream, I think. See you, buddy. I've got about 5 minutes left in my hour of fishing. Let's see if I can't catch 1 or 2 more fish. It's been great though. What a fun creek. Oh no, I'm stuck. Stuck on a rock. I cannot get this fly unstuck. I have no idea what it's on. I can't feel it. And I just broke the fly off. Well, it's just as well. I have 4 minutes left in my hour of fishing. I think I'm just gonna call it quits here. Losing a fly is as good a stopping point as anywhere, but look at this, just beautiful pockets, beautiful pools. I'll definitely be coming back here. Well guys, that was a lot of fun. Very cold water. My toes and my fingers are still feeling it, but awesome fishing. I caught 16 fish total. That includes that first brown trout. So up here I caught 15 fish in a little bit less than an hour, and that's just great. What a fun stream, and what a great rod. I enjoyed fishing with the new and improved Mizuchi. I think that you don't necessarily have to get those softer sections. I like the Mizuchi the way it is, the way it's always been, but if you do feel it's a little bit too stiff for you, and that can be the case, for example, if you're catching small fish most of the time, then yeah, I think you're gonna like the upgrade. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.